Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be trying out some new makeup, and it's going to be one brand makeup tutorial of Blue Heaven Cosmetics. So the brand was kind enough to send me across this entire box. Some of the new launches and some of the products which I already own are also in here, so probably they would go in a future giveaway, but I am really excited to try this out. So if you want to know my first impressions and thoughts, then please continue watching.
Hey my loves, this is Nidhi from the future, and this video was pre-shot in the month of March. I couldn't post it due to some issues, but yeah, you're going to be seeing the old setup, slight bit of fluctuation in lighting, and even the moving background. I hope you enjoy still anyways, and I'm also very sorry for any inconvenience caused. With that being said, let's continue with the video.
Also have these foundations. First I have their primer. This is their Studio Perfection primer, and if you've been following me for a long time now, you might be knowing how much I love this primer. Okay, so they've changed the packaging, they've made it clear. The earlier packaging was this, which I already have. So basically it is a silicone based primer, and this is really good, like affordable primer. If you're looking out for some, then definitely try this one out. It's really good. Okay, so for my foundation I'm a bit confused. Shade 4 is very orangey, while shade 3 is kind of neutralish, and shade 2 is having good yellow undertone. So probably I'll be going in with 3 on one side and 2 on one side, and not 4, just because it's way too orange for my skin tone. So let's try it out. First I'm using shade number 2. So with each of those foundations you get a free beauty blender, and this is the wet one and this is the beauty blender when dry. So it has increased in size a lot and has become a lot more squishier than this. So like, look at this. So I'm going to be using the same beauty blender to blend this foundation out. So as of I see, this is like a medium coverage, so just layering this up. Okay, so this is definitely a medium coverage foundation, as I can still see my scars peeking through even in the second layer, and I don't think I want to layer it more or else it might look cakey, and it's kind of drying off right away. So if you are a dry skin type, then definitely moisturize very well beneath this. This is slightly tugging on to my dry patches. So on this side we'll try shade number 3. So let's see how that looks. Blending it out again. Okay, so that looks good. Just adding a little more. That's the foundation laid. Definitely it does look matte, and it is having medium coverage. Also in the mirror I saw really up close, it is looking beautiful, but I prefer this side a lot just because of the yellow undertone it has than this shade, which is more pink toned and cooler for my warm undertone. Okay, so after that, for concealers, again I'm going to be using the shade 09 Mocha, and I think this would be slightly my skin tone-ish concealer, so I would be first using it to conceal. So this concealer is drying up really quickly, so you need to work fast in smaller sections for sure. And it is very thin in consistency, and again I would say this is kind of a medium coverage. I think almost all of Blue Heaven products do have some fragrance going on, so even this has slight bit of fragrance added to it. Slightly here you can see it has just dried up, so that is what I was saying, it is drying up fast. Okay, so first impressions, the concealer is having a medium coverage, it does have fragrance, and you have to work in really small sections because this concealer is drying up really quickly and settling. Even though it is all matte, we would slightly set it, and for that I'm using the Blue Heaven Matte Effect Compact Powder. We do have a puff, but I just want to lightly set it, so I'm using a big fluffy brush. This does smell like jasmine, I guess. Yeah. Oh my god, yeah. I'm all set. Definitely that concealer, dude, I should have worked in sections. So after that we have the Blue Heaven Signature Vibrant Blush Palette. Those are the 4 shades. I think I'll be going in with this peachy shade. We would just apply it all over our cheeks. After that shade, I'm picking up this shade. Okay, so that blush shade was pretty. Now for my eyes, I'm having 3 liners. One is green, brown and an electric blue color, my favorite. So these are the 3 liners. Does come with a brush tip, and that is really convenient for beginners and especially Nidhi. Then for my eyes, I'm having 2 of their kajals. One is the green one and the other is a blue one. This one I've used ages before. You can see me using this in my older videos. I loved these kajals. So I do not have any highlighter from them, so I would just apply my normal highlighter. For my mascara, I'm having the Blue Heaven Walk Free Waterproof Long Lash Mascara, and it does come in this beautiful packaging, and it retails for only 125 rupees. So the wand is very flexible. This mascara is more of a lengthening mascara than adding a volume, and as usual I did set my eyebrows too with the same mascara. And yeah, it does not even clump up my lashes. Mascara for the price you're paying, as it is not clumping my lashes and adding a good length to them, not more of volume, which I like personally. The formula is more liquidy or watery kind of, so this would perform even better when it dries down a bit. That for lipsticks, I'm having these 3 options. These are their candy lip colors, and I'm having 3 of them. These are so adorable. These just look like your bachpan wale what do you call them, lollipops. And so that is the packaging. When you just open it up, you do get a doe foot applicator. Oh my god, this stuff is really cute. And these are matte liquid colors. These are the 3 shades. Last one is shade number 9. Then the middle shade is a shade number 05. Bright pink shade over here, complete Barbie doll pink, is this, which is 02. And then we have the Blue Heaven non-transfer lipstick. I mean, this I've reviewed way back on my channel. You can check my review. I was having 3 shades and they did send 3, out of which this one, which is dark chocolate, is the one which I already own. Top one is this 710 Romantic Rose shade, which is a very beautiful nude, especially for fairer to medium skin tone people. And that is Caramel Cull shade, which is a beautiful nude for dusky to deep skin tones, and that is a dark chocolate. CL05. Let's do everything colorful today. Very unusual shade that Nidhi would ever wear, and this I feel like is slightly metallic. I don't know, I feel like this is slightly metallic, but it is matte. Very beautiful, very lightweight. It is not sticky at all and completely matte. How do I look in pink? Oh, also have their Biphase makeup remover, which is micellar cleansing water, and it is paraben free. So the makeup remover is good, and again it is very pocket friendly. Just rupees 150, so that is the Biphase makeup remover. Lastly, to fix all of this makeup in place, I am having the Blue Heaven makeup fixer. Again, this is a product which I already own, so I'm having two of this. You can see this one is completely empty because this bottle was leaking. Let me tell you of that. Not that I used it all up, but it was leaking, and so I'll be using this one today. So it does come with two caps just so that it can be secured. Still, even this was leaking anyways. So the makeup fixer does have a little bit of fragrance to it again. That is the finished look of full face of Blue Heaven Cosmetics. Now let me just sum up really quickly. The primer, I love it, totally recommend it. I do really like this stuff. After that, the foundation, but definitely I would like them to come up with newer shades with yellow undertones and other undertones. 02 is kind of working for me, and I would say this is like a medium coverage foundation. It blends easily. It does look really good in the mirror, so it does give a smooth finish. Definitely it is matte, but if you're having dry skin, then I would recommend you to moisturize your face really well, as this was clinging on to the dry patches. Blender was good. Yes, it wasn't the best of the blenders that I have tried, but it was really good for the price you're paying for, and it did absorb slightly the product, but again, dude, it's a beauty blender, it's a sponge, so it would absorb. Coming to the concealers, guys, I am a bit of I feel like these were like an average product for me, because these were providing a medium coverage, but you had to work really fast with these concealers as these were settling down really quick. And again, if you're having dry skin, this is gonna, you know, cling on to your dry patches, so keep a thought on that. Rest, I feel like these were just an average concealers. Powder, I feel this is again a very budget friendly everyday use kind of powder. Then the blush palette, I feel was a good decent pigmented palette. The blush shades over here are pigmented, but at the same time they are easy to blend, so it was another good palette from them. The mascara, I would say, was a good, again, affordable option and a good lengthening mascara. You know, I'm a big sucker for colorful liners, and I really liked these colorful liners from Blue Heaven. And the kajals, obviously, again, one of my good old days college time product, which I enjoyed a lot, and I do really like these. And coming to these candy lip colors, I did really like them. I wasn't really expecting much out of them. Seeing the packaging, I felt like it is gonna be some kiddish kind of product, but no, these are really good. These are very comfortable, non-drying, matte, and I think they come in more different shades. This one particularly is kind of a metallic, mind well, but the other two shades were matte. Which we were having were the non-transfer ones. You can check out my complete review. I feel these are very good matte affordable lip colors, a beautiful shade range, and these are comfortable, slightly drying after some time. Definitely I would tell that these are slightly drying after some time, but the makeup remover was good, as I said. And lastly, the makeup fixer, I would say this is again an average product for me, as the packaging kind of like leaks, and so I do not like the packaging, and also the fragrance in this kind of gets onto my nerves, which is my personal problem. Many of you guys might be enjoying fragrances in your products. That's completely fine. I personally do not like fragrances. For today's video, that was me trying out a full face of Blue Heaven Cosmetics. List all of the shades and products that I've used in the video, and the shades that matched me in the description box, so you can check out that. And I would meet you guys soon in my next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.